the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vent.
Jesus fucking Christ. This is where I sermonize my glory. I teach people about kindness. Now get the fuck out.
I was here first.
No. This is my spot. This is my spot, and I'm gonna need the sign. Give me the sign. Give me the sign. Give me the sign. I can't even spell prank. You tried to strike. Right side.
Fine, man.
God damn it.
Fuck.
I fucking died on the cross for you. I died on the cross.
Yeah,
can't even spell
fuck
prank.
you,
Tried to strike.
Jesus.
Prank team.
Asshole!
Prank team.
What the fuck you looking at?
Take your panties off. Yes. Yep. Take your panties off. Jelly green giant. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm ready to take it. Oh, yes. Hey, Dave. How are you? Wow. This is great. Everything's great.
Listen, we're going to a party tomorrow.
Yay! Who's?
I don't know. I don't remember the schmegman's name.
Schmagma, sounds cool. Was it a Greek party? Sounds Greek. Chocolate party!
Yeah, it's gonna be
Chocolate
great.
party.
It's gonna be great.
Chocolate party.
It's in a mansion, and we can rob them blind.
Awesome. Okay, babe. You know, I also found this ad for a baby commercial. You know, for the Gerber baby commercial.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of money.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
I heard that you can make tons of money.
Yeah, it's called residuals. I mean, I did one for Prozac a while back, but my whore ex-wife took all that money too.
Well, maybe we should audition.
No, we don't have a baby.
Can make one.
Yeah, no, and it's gonna take 9 months, and by then it'll be too late.
Well, do you know a baby?
No.
Well, we can adopt.
Yeah, we live in a fucking gym attached to my ex-wife's house. Nobody is gonna give us a baby.
Sorry. I mean, if it's meant to be, it'll be, you know.
If it's meant to be, yeah. Well, yeah.